Welcome to the WealthWise Blueprint, your go-to channel for the latest insights in finance. Today, we're diving into the top finance trends to watch in 2025, trends that are reshaping investment strategies, regulations, and consumer behaviors. Let's get started. Structured finance is making a strong comeback. After playing a major role in the 2008 financial crisis, complex instruments like asset-backed securities and collateralized loan obligations are now surging in popularity. The recent SF Vegas conference saw record attendance, reflecting a booming market where investors seek high-yield opportunities. AI is revolutionizing financial management. Companies are leveraging AI-powered bookkeeping, automated financial analysis, and predictive cash flow tools to improve efficiency and decision-making. AI-driven software can now process transactions automatically, reducing errors and saving businesses hours of work. With rising tariffs and inflation, consumer habits are shifting. Higher prices in retail sectors like apparel and electronics are pushing shoppers towards secondhand markets and budget-friendly alternatives. Businesses must adapt by rethinking pricing strategies and supply chain decisions. Digital banking is booming. Neobanks and digital-only financial institutions offer lower fees, seamless mobile banking, and AI-driven financial tools. Traditional banks are under pressure to enhance their digital services to keep up with this fast-growing trend. Gone are the days of waiting for monthly or quarterly financial reports. Businesses now use cloud-based financial platforms to track cash flow and revenue in real time, allowing for faster decision-making and improved transparency. Investors are prioritizing sustainability. Environmental, social, and governance factors are now integral to investment decisions, leading to a surge in ESG-focused funds. Companies embracing sustainability are attracting more capital and consumer trust. These finance trends are shaping 2025 and beyond. Staying informed and adaptable is key to navigating this evolving landscape. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from the WealthWise Blueprint. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. The information in this video is based on current trends and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a professional before making investment decisions.